Underestimate Chiwenga at your own risk. Zarabina mashukubuda pangwa no against on VP Consano Chiwenga pangwa appears to be victorious. But tukona kuti there are many failed attempts. Aruka pangwa inachitwa ne the 2030 group ichachida kubloka kuataka kudismantle VP Consano Chiwenga, but it seems like VP Consano Chiwenga is destined to conquer. Zarabina mashukana mdaji kwa pangwa nama critics AKF3 in the future 2030. Don't subscribe or like on continue to the bell icon. Pangwa to not as Makomich and post this picture of VP Consano Chiwenga na murukona iri. Obdanyura achiti. How many failed attempts did the 2030 group make to block Chiwenga? They tried a lot of things, but nothing went. And Cabal and KF3 won't work either. Early this year, they were talking about going to Congress. Now they've shifted to KF3. It will not work. Underestimate Chiwenga at your own risk. The more they fight him, the more they trigger him to take them down. He is a military man, not a clout chaser like KT. This word brought to you by Isaac McCormick. Doma developments Arbuda Pangwa ine Argon once VP Consano Chiwenga is being attacked. Pangwa inokuda kukonekwa kunzi is against corruption, is against the people who want to capture the state. Those little VP Consano Chiwenga attack, but at the same time they must handle him. I was really very careful, just because if they do any attempt to fire him, the 2017 chaos and drama can reignite again. As we are now saying, more than 65 soldiers has been arrested. Pangwa Vauya Vaka distributor pamphlets against the people army, which means the military now is now compromised. Trigananda Pangwa Tana support Vanono Zachokwadi, and they are resisting this illegal bill. In the comment section, videos of the aim to leave them page. So subscribe or like up on the bell icon.